preparing some nice liver and cook that with some bananas, the pumpkin, get all my seasoning over here. Gonna add some thyme, onion and my scallion, my pepper. And I've got all my seasoning, my Maggi, all-purpose, and my black pepper. That's all I'm gonna put in that. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this up. I'm just gonna cut this up and get it seasoned. That is it. I had some Maggi. Some jerk. All-purpose seasoning. I've added my Maggi, all-purpose seasoning, my jerk, put some black pepper, and just mix this up. I'm gonna use some oil in the skillet. And I'm just gonna add this there. Then I'll cut up my natural seasoning to add to it. I have a bit of natural seasoning. Cooking some bananas, add some pumpkin to that to go with my liver. I'll add this liver to the top. All this grease is hot, so here we go. So I'm gonna let that cook up for a few minutes. Then we'll add the rest of our natural seasoning and let it simmer. Alright, liver is coming right along. so add on the natural seasoning to my liver. And I'm going to cover that up and let it simmer until it's done. Now, go ahead and add some ketchup. Give this another 10 minutes. Be finished and ready to go. And my bananas just about complete. Liver looking good. This is all done. I'm gonna fire down. Liver with bananas and pumpkins.